Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some brand new working codes plus for Roblox, 99 nights in the forest.